Hi everyone, it's Marek here and welcome to my chess card channel. Today I want to show you beautiful position from Frank Marshall's game. Frank Marshall was an American grandmaster. He was very strong chess player and he held US chess title for I think 27 years. This position appeared in his game with Stefan Levitsky, and in this position he found a beautiful move. Even if this position is winning already, he can play whatever here and he's just winning. So he managed to find beautiful move, and I want you to take a look at this position, analyze it, and try to find this move. I recommend you should solve it over the real board. Take your time. Do not rush over the analysis. Don't move your pieces. Write your moves down and try to find this move. So I will stop this video now and we'll be back soon. Now, here we are back again, and if you find that move Queen G3, so you are a great chess player. Queen G3, that's the fantastic move after which Stefan Levitsky resigned, and we can have a look. This queen is attacked by two pawns and the queen, so white can capture this queen by three options. Also, Frank's rook is under attack. So the first option, if he takes AG, so there is immediate checkmate. When he takes with F pawn, so there is check, King H1 and Rook F1, checkmate. And if he takes with the Queen, so there is a combination of moves, Knight E2 check, forced King H1, Knight G3, H pawn is pinned. If he takes with F pawn, so there is immediate checkmate. So he has to go back with king to G1, and now either Knight E2 or Knight F1. Say Knight F1, GH, Knight E2, and position is completely winning. So that was the fantastic move, Queen G3. I'm sure you found it and had a great tactical afternoon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.